Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can always go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit, tap on Security and Location, and then scroll down again. Now just click on Location under Privacy and click on this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!